Hello, this is Ask Anastasia and I'm gonna show you one more house today. This is how neighborhood looks. And this is a house we're gonna talk about today. Oh, you're doing video too?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh shoot.
Yeah.
I don't think I want to take that jump.
Yeah.
I gotta walk around the other side.
This is the kitchen. And they started doing some job here. One bedroom, one bathroom. Looks like they did some remodeling here. Not finished though. And this is another bedroom. So it's really tiny, but it has a small closet. Ceiling needs some repairs. Gonna be closet on the top. This is an interesting idea. So this is one bedroom, this is second bedroom, and this is the closet for this bedroom. Living room. And the kitchen. And if we're gonna go to the basement, you're gonna see it doesn't smell good. It smells like mold, but it has one more room here. Electrical good. Does it have AC?
It has AC, but they cut it out. The outside unit is gone.
Oh, okay. Water heater. And it has laundry room, I would say, here. Or one more room. Oh, no, this is a garage.
No, the room is here. Laundry,
And
and then
two.
there's a room.
And there is one toilet here, which is convenient, and laundry room. So what do you think? Is it good one?
It's a small one.
Not too much work to do, right?
They were working on it, but it looks like the thing that bothers me the most is the smell
Yeah, mold.
of no toilet
Toilet.
sewer line.
Sewer line?
Yeah.
Okay. For me, it's not a good smell. It's not a good smell. Okay. So what do you think? Is it a good house? Let's go around to see. Hello.
You gonna be here for a while? We lock up?
Oh, no. You can close.
Oh, you gotta go?
Yeah, we were just waiting for the agent. He's not here yet, but if you want to lock it, lock it.
Okay.
Yeah. Tony! Can you come out?
I know you from somewhere. You on the building on Brackenwood? Yeah. Okay, you on the building across from my building. On the hill, right? Yep. Yeah, years ago.
Oh, you got